Hey everyone! Welcome to Learn English with Hatha, your new favorite way to master English with fun and easy steps. Today, we're going to immerse yourself in English and learn while having a blast. Let's get started. Step 1. First, let's change your phone's language to English. Why? Because every time you check your phone, you'll see those technical words in English.
Yes!
Like settings, Wi-Fi, and notifications. You already know where these buttons are, so this will help you learn naturally as you go about your day. Step 2. Time to watch your favorite movies or YouTube videos, but with a twist. Watch them in English and turn on English subtitles. This is such a cool trick because it helps connect how the words sound to how they're spelled, and it boosts your listening and reading skills at the same time. Step 3. Now let's put it all into practice. Keep learning with Hatha and practice these tips every day. The more you practice, the easier English becomes. Soon, you'll be feeling more confident and fluent, and you'll see real progress. You got this! Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, learning English is a journey, and every little step counts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Hatha for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next one.